RTP Nation, we're just getting some previews of what's going on here on the homestead. What is that, Charles? Huh? Oh, I don't know what that is. See fish out there jumping in the pond.
All right, TP Nation, I'm so grateful that you all are looking at our videos here. As you could see on part one yesterday, we had our E26 Bobcat to come in and started cleaning off our dam. And this morning, he's back cleaning up part of the dam just to make sure that I'm able to cut it with the lawnmower. There's other things that are going to be done around the homestead as we improve our homestead on our way to self-sufficiency. I'm so grateful that you guys are watching this video this morning. This is not a tutorial, it's just some content that you can see what I'm doing on my homestead just to make it what I want it to be, and you're a part of the journey with me. So I say thank y'all, thank y'all, thank y'all. Please kindly like, comment, and subscribe to our channel. Thank y'all so much.
We got my tractor, we'll trim this down a little bit. We'll take it on around a little bit. Fish was just right there. Look, the fish are even happy. Yeah, we'll come out here with the box blade and we'll knock this back down. I really want to get my edge just a little bit better so that I can cut the grass on it. That's the whole main purpose, is getting the grass so that I can trim the grass. Almost done, TP Nation. Just cleaning it back up. Yep, almost done. Yep, we can get all this ourselves. Yeah. Charles, get out the way. I know. We're knocking it out, guys. That's good. Come on, Charles, get out the way. Get out the way, Charles. All right, working on the homestead. Remember, it's a work in progress. So thank y'all so much for tuning in. Y'all have a blessed day.